part in the Warsa Karsada Misoka event, we will accompany you for the next 10 minutes.
Before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Aulia.
My name is Alia from 12I.
Malang City has several phenomenal tourist attractions. One of them is Kayu Tangan Heritage Village. Kayu Tangan Heritage Village, located on Jenderal Basuki Rahmat Street, carries the concept of Malang Tempo Dulu.
During the colonial period around the 1800s, Kampung Kayu Tangan began to become a place of residence for descendants of the Dutch. At the same time, Islam began to develop in Kampung Kayu Tangan.
At that time, this kampung had a conflict over territory between the native and the Dutch. However, the action was successfully thwarted by the native who unites and help each other to defend Kampung Kayu Tangan area.
At that time, an outbreak of pest bacterial infection was rife. The Dutch government was worried that Kampung Kayu Tangan, which was a place where the natives lived, could become a place for the spread of the pest outbreak. Therefore, the Dutch government initiated the construction of water sanitation that could control the volume of water flow in the Kampung Kayu Tangan area.
In 1955, there was a nationalization of former Dutch-owned building in Kayu Tangan village. The potential wealth of Kampung Heritage Kayu Tangan has begun to be realized. So, Kampung Kayu Tangan began to be developed in a direction that is considered capable of attracting tourists. Finally, on April 2018, the Malang City government determined that Kampung Heritage Kayu Tangan was a cultural heritage area with many relics of the past.
And right now, Kayu Tangan has many cafe and supermarket destinations that can be an option to relax and fill your free time. The rows of cafes and supermarkets on the side of the road are always crowded with visitors, especially at night. One thing that always attracts visitors is the live music by street musicians, which is usually held at night. The visitors will sing together or just watch and enjoy it.
Moreover, visitors can also enter Kampung Kayu Tangan Heritage by paying 5,000 rupiah. For only 5,000 rupiah, visitors can find a lot of historical buildings with classic architecture from the Dutch colonial era, interesting photo spot, and various culinary delight and cafes with an old-fashioned atmosphere.
To find out more, we will contact Ibnu, who is currently at Kampung Heritage Kayu Tangan.
Good afternoon, Ibnu. How are things there?
Hi Alia and Aul. So, right now, I'm at Kampung Heritage Kayu Tangan. As you can see, there are so many people in here. They spend their holidays and weekend in here. What about we take a little walk in here? Let's go! And when you enter the kampung, you will need to pay around 5,000 rupiah, and in exchange, you will get a little postcard for each ticket. What about we try a little snack around here? I see a little ice cream stand there. Let's go. By the way, there are so many small businesses around here, such as herbal drink and small cafes. After we take a little walk and journey around here, what about we take interviewing time with the local people around here? Let's go. Jadi sekarang saya sudah bersama dengan salah satu warga lokal yang ada di sini. Bapak bisa perkenalkan dahulu namanya?
Mas Hendra Gunawan.
Iya. Oke, saya ingin bertanya nih Pak, kira-kira bagaimana pendapat Bapak mengenai kampung heritage ini yang dijadikan tempat wisata?
Ya bagus. Dulu ini kampung biasa, Dengan adanya heritage, kampung ini jadi hidup. Jadi mau hidup apa? Di perekonomian, segala macam, pariwisata, masyarakat yang dulunya nggak aktif, sekarang jadi aktif. Gimana supaya menghasilkan pendapatan
lebih? Ya.
Jadi dulu rumahnya itu yang acak-acakan,
Jadi sekarang terlihat lebih indah.
hias,
Jadi ya.
bahkan dulu yang tertutup sekarang open.
Apa?
Jadi open apa dihiasin dihiasin apa?
Ya.
Bahkan ya untuk supaya orang menarik bisa masuk ke rumahnya dia atau apa, otomatis kan dia
Jadi
ada
pendapatan.
misalkan kan nggak tarik biaya ya, gimana Pak seikhlasnya.
Ah ya.
Begitu foto selfie atau apa.
Tapi kalau dari pendapat Bapak sendiri, kira-kira Bapak senang nggak dengan adanya kampung heritage ini yang dijadikan tempat wisata?
Ya sangat senang Mas. Yang dulunya hidup, yang
Yang mati jadi lebih hidup.
lebih hidup.
Ya,
yang
dan juga
dulunya sepi,
Jadi
sekarang rame.
apa itu warganya juga lebih bisa bersosialisasi. Ya kalau dari Bapak sendiri ada harapan tersendiri untuk kampung heritage ke depannya biar bisa seperti apa?
Mungkin kalau bisa dikembangkan dan apa ya, mungkin untuk meminat wisata itu di belakang itu ada sungai. Itu ada sungai, mungkin kalau bisa diperbaiki lagi.
Jadi lebih memanfaatkan infrastruktur dan juga tempat yang ada. Oh iya, ya udah begitu saja ya Pak. Terima kasih Bu atas waktunya. Ya. So that was our journey for today. After we tried the food, go inside of the Kampung Heritage Kayu Tangan, meet the local people, even we interviewing them. Now we know that inside of the Kampung Heritage is not just a tourism destination, but also a source of income for the people that live inside of the Kampung Heritage. So I can say that this place was such a highly recommend for you because there's so many culinary delights that you must try and some interesting spot. So that's all for today. I will return this to Alia and Alia to the studio.
Wow, it's really exciting there. Lots of interesting culinary places and photo spots. I wish I can be there to spend my weekend there.
I agree for that. And for the viewer who didn't have any clue about how to spend your weekend, you can enjoy your weekend in Kayu Tangan area. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and
See you next time!